Hi friends, it's Helga here. In this video, let's make a bright and vibrant beaded starfish together. This starfish is the perfect summer accessory to use as a bag charm. The weaving technique is super simple, so it's absolutely beginner friendly. For our starfish, I'm using size 10 or 11 seed beads in 3 colors: orange, red and white. We will also need 0.3 mm wire. For the first element, cut about 28 to 30 inches of wire and fold it exactly in half. String 3 orange seed beads. Then, take the other end of the wire and pass it in the opposite direction, through the outer 2 beads. Pull it tight right to the center of the wire, and just like that, our first 2 rows are done. For the third row, string 1 orange, 1 red, and 1 orange bead onto one side. Pass the other end of the wire through all 3 beads in the opposite direction and pull it nice and tight. Row 4. On one of the wires, string 2 orange, 1 red and 2 orange beads. Cross the other wire through them. Row 5. We do the exact same thing. Add 2 orange, 1 red and 2 orange beads and cross through. Row 6. Repeat one more time with 2 orange, 1 red and 2 orange beads, crossing the wires through. For row 7, string 1 orange, 1 white, 1 orange, 1 red, 1 orange, 1 white and 1 orange bead. String 3 orange, 1 red and 3 orange beads, then cross through. Row 9. Let's repeat the pattern from row 7. Add 1 orange, 1 white, 1 orange, 1 red, 1 orange, 1 white and 1 orange bead and cross through. Row 10. String 4 orange, 1 red and 4 orange beads. Row 11. This one is a bit longer. String 1 orange, 1 white, 1 orange, 1 white, 1 orange, 1 red, 1 orange, 1 white, 1 orange, 1 white and 1 orange bead. Row 12. Add 5 orange, 1 red and 5 orange beads. Row 13. String 2 orange, 1 white, 1 orange, 1 red, 1 orange, 1 white and 2 orange beads. Row 14. String 3 orange, 1 red and 3 orange beads. Row 15. Add 1 orange, 1 white, 1 red, 1 white and 1 orange bead. Row 16. Just 1 orange, 1 red and 1 orange bead and cross. And our very last row, row 17. String 2 orange beads and cross through. Our first starfish army is ready. We need to make a total of 5 identical pieces. Now let's sew them together. Take 2 of your pieces and line them up. Take one of the working wires and weave it between the rows of both pieces in a zigzag motion. Keep going until you reach the start of the widest part of the starfish arm. Right here, secure the wire one more time by passing it through the exact same spot and then snip off the excess wire. Look how neat that looks. Now take the next arm and sew it on the exact same way. Finally, we'll sew the first and the fifth pieces together to close the starfish. It can feel a little awkward to hold, but don't worry, it's a very quick step. Twist all the remaining wires together securely at the center. Clip off the excess and tuck it away. Now just add your favorite keychain hardware. If you love how this starfish turned out, please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next tutorial.